Baki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Katanat Tourism Jngohkai Jylla uba poleng do ulayatu baga kam Jngohkai hagani ke Jylla khamtam mentau snem arjar arpusan kala genjo sya weipat umau jam haga baki brio na keleng kari India bat na keleng ka perthai ki phai khmat syagani ke Jylla kum ke jaka ka ba itanat tam banwan bam le air pengat uba pol ulaong baki riu pau khmat na keleng giri ka perthai gila tu syagani ke Jylla bat kani kala yarap bahaya ki nongsyong snong ke Jylla ban kentiu ya ka yok ka kot jongki. Ulaong batang ha Sohra marwai ki don Palat lais pa sanpau Tylli ki homestay. Ka baki briu jongi ki yok jeng mentoi bha. Dai na kani ka daw ba menta ka kam ka bah khmat ka badon kam tam ban penstet. Ka dai ban pendep ya ka jeng penhe ya ka kat leng sun homroi. Khanang baki briu ki banabar kin yok ban hiarbet haselong.
The tourism success story has been gaining momentum, and this has been proven by the fact that Shillong has been rated as the most favored tourism destination for 2025, and a lot of international celebrities and performers have been visiting the state, and we have reached a point now where in Sohra alone more than 350 homestays are already operating. So with the growth of tourism, we also would like to see that related issues, for instance, the expansion of the airport takes place soon. We have been assured, and as you know, the central ministers have taken a number of meetings with our chief minister, and by mid-26 we should be able to see that the expansion of the airway, the runway to the Shillong airport at Umrah is completed. There already are standing SOPs for regulating the flow of tourists, because we would like to see that a fragile ecosystem is not disturbed and is not compromised. The only issue here is that in Meghalaya, it is not the government that directly operates and runs these various services. Most of these are owned by the community. It is associations and Dorbarshnongs that run, for instance, well-known, like you mentioned, the double-decker bridge that is with Noryak Darbar. The Arwa Kiew is with the local Darbar. So, but what we have done in the past 1 year is we have held interactive sessions, including training for these various stakeholders and how do they regulate the entry of visitors to such areas. We have also given them instructions that our focus is on low volume, high value tourism. High value, low volume, which is the stress is on not the number of people, but the quality of people. And therefore, this is something which I have shared with the Darbar that is running Arwa Kiev, managing Arwa Kiev, that instead of allowing 1,000 people, each paying 50 rupees, why can't you stagger that flow, charge more and reduce the number of people on an hourly basis? So this is an ongoing exercise. Government has structured a system, but as I said, it's not as easy as it would be in other states, because here it is not the tourism department or the MTDC that actually operates these various units and activities.